in this world.
In this world, yes.
Love is the best medicine in this world. You can cover all the.
It is more important than money. It is more important than money.
You cannot find money.
Happiness you will find in small things also. If you are traveling by train, you got a seat.
Yes.
That gives you happiness.
Yes.
If you are crossing the road and
you cross successfully,
yes,
then you get happiness.
that gives you happiness. If you are going someone by your car and that time you don't get any traffic, that gives you happiness.
Only I can change my life. No one change my life. I give money, change my life.
Yes, it is right. It is all right. Out the door. Out the door. Out the door.
I want to say something.
To say that whatever you want to do achieve, you achieve. You will by hard work you will achieve. So I don't focus these things. You will get more money. You will get more money or not.
Hello, sir.
You are right.
If you have money, you can search easily your purpose.
Yeah.
You can achieve your goal.
She's not talking about money, she's talking about happiness.
Yes, happiness.
Money is everything, but money doesn't give you happiness.
Yes.
Money.
Yes, I'm agree with you that happiness didn't come from money, but we have to work hard.
We are not too much focusing only earning money. We are just focusing our study. You know, in this time now,
You have a lot of money and you become a very big person, like rich person, doctor,
Yeah.
engineer,
Yeah.
or politician, and that time people not respect you.
without money we can't achieve our goal.
But okay.
You are talking about physical life.
Yes, you can
Tell me
what
one
is
minute.
the
What is 1 minute? Tell me any minute. Tell me. If you can.
First of all, you tell us what is the definition of physical life.
We are the best.
We can do.
Because we are the best.
We can do.
You are the best.
You can do.
You are the best.
You can do.
So come and join us.
Be the best. Come and join us. Be the best.
Namaskar. Life is a beautiful journey, and we all are travelers and tourists. It starts from the birth and ends to the death. During this time, we go through emotions like love, feelings, hate, kindness, happiness, and humanity. The main purpose of life is to love and let others love. The main purpose of life is to live and let others live. What exactly is life and how much money help us to survive in this life? On this entire things today, I'm here with the students of My Great Doctor going to talk about, and the very first what I have done is divided the students of a particular batch into two parts. This is the group 1 and this is the group 2, and they will talk about, they will give their opinion and have the debate about.
Well, life, it is a very good thing for us, and we are grateful because it is given by God. If I talk about life, it is a game. If you want to win it, first you have to enter that. After that you can win it. Life, in this you have to enjoy each and everything. Either if I talk about happiness, sadness, whatever. Life, mostly people say that we are just facing lot of struggle. They are not facing lot of struggle, they are just facing opportunities, because struggle means opportunities, and opportunities comes when you feel very pain. Yeah, it is true that life is a part of our journey. If you will handle it very carefully, so I'm 100% sure that you will destroy it. So please let it free, because if you will let it free, so you will enjoy it very carefully. Yeah, mostly people say that how can we live our life? You can live your life, but not without purpose. If you have purpose, so you can live it, because when we find our purpose, after that we can do something better. If you don't have any goals, so it means you are just wasting your life and you are just finding another thing. If you have better opportunities, so don't let them go, because opportunities makes you perfect. Your opportunities are those fact which has the almost all around your life.
Whatever happens in our life, whatever we do in our life, there must be a purpose. Like in this amazing world, there are so many all living things. They must have a purpose in their life. when they do any work, they have purpose. Like if we come to coaching, we have one purpose to learn. We have a purpose to get education, to learn something. Just suppose what is life? If I'll give two statements. Is it something which from birth, when we come in this world, we go to school just to get education, then we graduate, then get a good job, then get married, then have children, and then we become old by age, and then we go back into heaven. That was one. And the second one is we take birth in our on the earth, in this and we go to school, we enjoy with friends, we spend our times with our family, with the younger ones. We spend our most of the times when we spend our most of the times with our families, we come to know we come to know the feelings of our family, and they also get the chance to express their feelings. So according to me, that second one was right for me.
You all know we are living, it is life, but only living, it is not life. If we want to do something in our life, so it is a purpose. If we choose and we decide to do something in our life, it is called purpose of life. If we don't decide to do anything in our life, so it is our life is waste. Not only living our life is a purpose. We first of all we should decide to any goal, any purpose, and we can do something in our life. This is called a purpose. If we all have no purpose, so we are like a animal, because animal also live their life without any purpose. But we are human beings, and we should decide any purpose. We should choose any goal, and we should do anything in our life. This is called. First of all, I want to say, when we think about to do something in our life, this is called a purpose of life.
According to me, money is the biggest thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you have any problem, without money you can't survive your life. Okay? So that's why always I earn the money more and more, because everybody has family and everyone wants to do something unique their life.
Sir, you have get a lot of happy to earning the
Hello,
money.
sir, just listen, sir. I'm not saying about that you earn the money like a wrong path. First of all, you take education. Whatever do you want? You take education more and more, and you can achieve your goal, and you earn the money like right path. Go on the right path. I'm not saying that please you go on the bad path. I'm saying that please go on the right path. Then you earn the money more and more. Whatever do you want? Then also you can give. You can provide so many facilities in your family, in your society, also in your country.
You have get education. Second you have get earning money. Then you are happy. You can happy to earning money and get education.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, I'm not.
No, this is not correct.
Yeah. It's
Wait
not
a minute.
correct. Because only
We cannot happy. We cannot happy to get earning money
Sir,
and to.
you can't say that
This
we
is
are
not-
not happy.
This is
You
not my
can't- sir,
purpose. My purpose only peace. My purpose only peace. You
Sir,
cannot
without money, how can you peace?
Yes.
But
how can you feel that you can peace?
Without money, you can't search peace.
Yeah.
If we have money, if we have knowledge, that we can search
I
peace
can.
also.
Sir,
I can. According to Gita, the purpose of life only peace. Krishna.
We are not saying like that ki, earning money is our life. We want to say earning money is not life, but earning money gives us peace and calm. If we have no money, that time we have to face a lots of problems. We have to do many struggles in our life.
Yeah.
So we all have to need money. So It
Sir,
is most important
Yes,
thing in
yes,
our
yes.
life.
With money
Hello.
we can
In
solve
hello.
my problem. We can solve my problem, not get a peace.
Ancient time, people have no lots of money, but they survive our life, and they have peace, they have happiness.
Yeah, exactly.
They all, so why money is important for us?
But ma'am, what they
Because-
take like some lands from kings or king's daughter. They take some lands. That's why they survive in ancient time.
But they survive our life na without money.
So ma'am, they
Ma'am,
take
that
land
also
now.
need to money.
But we should not
How you
focus
can
only
say-
money.
Ma'am, how you can
We
say
should not
that
focus only money.
that money is
Ma'am,
not
I'm not
available?
saying that you please focus only money.
I know.
He
Yes,
said-
money is
Money is only compulsion, not peace.
Money is
Money is only
money-
compulsion.
Money is a big need,
Money is
sir.
only
Money is a
compulsion.
big need. If you go anywhere without money, you can't go there. Anywhere if you want to go there.
Everywhere. Money needs to everywhere. If you have no money,
We can laugh.
we can't
We can laugh
survive
without
our
money.
life.
We can laugh without money.
No,
There are-
there
there are-
Thank you very much. You guys are talking nice that yes, money is important, money is not important. On that, you guys have to give your opinion. I want you to speak one by one, and like everybody, and give just the valid answer.
Yeah.
Write down whatever you have the valid, like you do the answer you want to give, and let everybody speak, please. Yes, it is important that money is important. Money is not important. Money is very important. Money is not very important. Everything is important,
Yes,
but
yes,
what
yes,
is
yes,
most
yes,
important is to survive in this
Survive.
life.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And to survive, there are so many options that we guys have to do. Alright, guys. So
Yes,
please, yes, come on.
Yes, I'm agreed with your statements that you
Correct.
said money is important. Yes, I'm also agreed that money is important.
Correct.
But it is the thing which will help you to survive. It will not, if just suppose that if you are thirsty, you need water, what will you do? You will go for water or money?
That
Water?
time we can
Water?
if
Of
you have
course.
money, if
Okay.
you have
Of
money,
course,
we
money.
can go and buy the water.
Okay, first of all,
Yes,
first of all, tell me.
If you have money, we can go and buy the water.
Please. Yes, okay, I'm agreed, right?
Yes.
Just suppose that if there is no any, you are at a place where no water is there. There is no water. There is no water, and what will you do that time? You have lots of money. You have lots of money, but you need water, and there is no water around you. What will you do that time?
On that time, if I have money, if I
Correct.
have money too much,
Yes.
Yes.
then also I can provide too much money other people. Ki please search and find water for us. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
It's
let's
That's why
another point, sir.
money
It's
is-
another point. I'm agree with you. If we have thirsty, that time we need to water.
Yes.
But I want to say, if we have money, we can search easily
We
water.
can search and find. We can
We
buy
can
water.
search easily. If there is
One
money,
minute.
if
Give me
there
chance.
is no water,
At this time,
So
what do you guys
the
think?
big source of money, each and everything.
Okay.
Okay, what do you guys think about those
But-
people?
okay.
What do you
Buy
guys
money.
think about those people who live in jungles and
Help
all,
nobody can
and
buy
they
happiness.
have no money
Okay,
and
okay, guys.
they have less
Okay,
money. They just survive.
Hello,
Still they survive.
Please one by one.
Correct.
One by one.
Mumtaz have lot of money. I can say that I am agree with you that money is important and study is very important.
yes.
Yet you are okay na? So I want to say that according to Krishna says that Arjun that in Gita that according to Gita the object is very important. So we have to work always time. We have to work always time. हमें कार्य करना ही पड़ेगा चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. You
Sir, I'm agree with you. I'm agree with you.
1 minute. We have to work. Yeah, you are really accept na.
Yes, sir. Really accept.
Okay,
We have to
wait,
one minute.
okay, you said, okay, I'm totally agreed with you, sir. You are talking about money. Okay, I'm totally, but right now we are living in very materialistic world.
Yeah.
Where you have to buy water. Without money, I can understand without money we can live here. But sir, in this world, if you want to do something, now first you have to spend your money. If you want to take water, so first you have to invest your money. Right now, I'm also taking water. For that, I have to give. For that, I have to give 20 rupees every day. It means
Yes,
what?
sir.
Right now, we are
Topic is
living.
the only purpose of life na.
So
Topic is the only purpose of life. Purpose of life is money.
It is also not to money.
Sir,
It
our
is
money,
also
We have to live without money. We have to live. Without
Sir,
But you can't survive
we can
properly,
live live without
can't
money.
survive your life without money, sir.
I want to
Earning
give
money,
you-
earning study, earning money,
I want to give you
earning
life.
money, earning
Listen-
study. This is
listen
the
to
work.
me.
This is
Listen
only
to me.
work.
Hello,
This
sir.
is only work,
Sir,
not
Hello,
peace.
Excuse me.
hello, sir.
You are
if
right.
you have
Excuse
money,
me.
you can search easily your purpose.
Yeah, yeah.
You can achieve your goal easily. If you have no
Sir,
money,
if you want to
so
go there anywhere
too much struggle.
without money,
I will-
how can you go there?
Make
Yes,
goals.
yes.
How can you go there? Tell me.
Achieve the goal. Achieve the goal. This is physical importance.
Yes. Physical fitness.
Physical fitness. This achieve the goal, achieve your purpose, earning money, earning study. This is physical, not peaceful for soul. I have to need a peaceful. I have to need only peaceful. For soul.
Okay, whenever
If
we
you-
do,
if you-
okay, hello
if
sir.
you-
Whenever we do physical work, first of all, for that we have to think. That is called mental work.
Yes.
Without mental work, we cannot do physical work.
Yes.
If right now you are just writing, first for that you have to think about that. Without thinking, you cannot write anything. So don't say that physical work. Earning money is also a mental work.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are right.
Yes,
yes,
So,
yes,
but-
that's what I want.
okay, you are right.
Yes.
But we should know why we develop, why we growing our money. Or we think only money. It's like a god. It's not like a god. It's our need. By money we complete our need. It's okay. Am I right?
Yes.
So,
Of course,
why
you are
you-
totally. Yeah, you are
So
right.
why we focus only money? It's not a compulsory. By money we complete our
Of course.
completed our works and we get facilities. It's okay, but don't grow money only. Don't think only. Don't make our purpose only earning lot of money.
I was. Yes, she told like without money we can't achieve our goal. Like I would like to give you an example. There is a person in Kerala. He has no money to take coaching class. He has no money to pay his mobile internet recharge. But now he is the IS officer. Why? Because he do hard work. He has no money to recharge his cell phone. Then he joined a railway station. There he connect his phone for Wi-Fi and he saw video there. And now he is a IS officer. So without money, if I want to really do something in our life, we can do without money also.
Yes,
So
yes.
money is not important.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are right.
Yes, ma'am. I'm agree with your statement. Without money, we can survive our life. But without purpose, we can't survive our life.
Yes,
Yes,
that also,
yes,
that is
yes,
correct.
yes,
Wait,
yes.
wait, wait.
Yes, if we have purpose, we can do anything in our life. I understand this statement. I understand this point. You are right. But money also help us to help us to do something in our life. Money helps too much to do something in their life. If we have no money, that time we can survive our life with more struggle. It is very bad. That time we feel very bad because if we have something, we can do anything.
But
we
we
can
know-
easily
Yes, yes.
get
But
anything.
money. Don't focus only earning more and more money. If you want to do something, it's important you have money. By this way you get.
Yes.
But you have to do something new for your country, for your society, for your family.
Yes.
So why you focusing only earning lot of money?
We are not too much focusing only earning money. We are just focusing our study. You know, in this time now, without money we cannot study also.
Yes.
So
Yes,
money
yes.
is important for study and for food. Everything money is important for food.
Yeah, everything you are right. But
1 minute. According to my career doctor suggestion that meditation is very important.
yes.
Why? Meditation is very important. Why? If money is very important, we can get a lot of happy. Then why? What is reason we get meditation? Please explain you.
Okay. You said now money is not important. Okay, I'm totally agreed with you, sir. If you are ready to live, those type of life which used to live earlier people, so okay, money is not important for you. But money is important for us because we have addicted to live very luxurious life. Right now we are living, we are in our comfort zone. If you are ready to if you are ready to leave your comfort zone, then money is nothing for you.
This is
But you
physically
will
like
not-
na.
we
This is
have to
physically
become
like na.
comfort
Sir, but you
This
will,
is physically
you will
like-
not leave
it
it.
is
Why?
also
But you are,
confusing like
you are
that.
having
You can live with a luxury car, with luxury home, with luxury, but you cannot get peace for you.
Hello, sir.
If
You
you are
want to
ready,
live,
sir,
you
if
want
you are
to
ready
live
to eat
physically.
grass, if you are
Hello,
ready to
sir.
eat, if you are ready to eat grass chapati, so it is good for you.
Yeah.
But I cannot eat.
If you,
Why?
if
Because
you happy,
my comfort
if you
zone not
happy, then
allowed.
chapati
Why?
is very good.
Sir,
But you
you
cannot eat,
Then
sir.
chapati is
But you
very
will not
good.
eat. But
Sir,
you
you
will not
tell
eat
me
because you are in your
cannot-
comfort zone. You are in your comfort
You
zone.
cannot
and you
live
will not
happy.
leave your
You
comfort zone.
cannot live happy without peace. You can get a lot of.
Okay, sir.
Very
Sir,
sure.
I want
But our
to say
mentality
something.
is not
I want
like
to say
this,
something.
na.
Sir, you
Stop.
tell me, you don't want to earn money. You don't want to.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
want
earn
to.
money.
This is my physically. This
you
is my
have any
physically
purpose now?
problem.
You have any purpose? You come to my career doctor because you want to learn English and you want to do something in your life. That's why you are learning English, na?
Yeah.
So first of all, you came here. You have to need
Study.
money. You
Study.
have to think your purpose of life.
Study.
You have to think that.
I want to
It's okay.
explain. I want to
We all
explain.
came here for learning English.
I
Only.
can explain
Man,
you.
You are saying
Who said
this is a
Parishika?
physical life. This is
I
physical
can-
life.
Parishika.
It is also to include our life.
Who said-
Physical life? What is physical?
It's okay.
Physical life.
Yes,
To
sir.
earning money to study.
Sir.
This is physical
It is
life.
also the role.
This is my compulsion.
It is
This
the
is
role
my
of our
compulsion.
life. It is the
Parishika,
role of
this is
our
my
life.
compulsion.
Okay, sir, tell me one
It's okay.
thing. You are talking about physical life, physical
Yes,
life.
you
Tell
tell
me,
us what
tell
is
me
the
one minute.
definition.
What is
1 minute.
Tell me any man. Tell
Sir,
me.
If you care.
First of all, you tell us what is the definition of physical life.
Physical life,
Yes.
earning money, earning study, a lot of collected a lot of money.
Yes.
This is physical
So-
life.
Okay, let's
So
take
it
an
is not-
example.
It is not role our life.
What?
It is not part of
Let's
our
take an
life.
example. You are an engineer in a
What
company
you have
and you are
taxed
doing
a lot
work
of
there.
money.
So that time.
Sir, you
With-
tell me.
with all.
You tell me if you have knowledge, if you do study,
Yeah.
that time we feel also happiness comes these things. If we search happiness, so it is not possible to come in own self.
Yes,
we,
Parishika, you are
we
right.
have to
Those
search.
type activities
If we
comes
do
from
anything,
happiness.
that time we
And
feel
these
happy.
things and all.
It is happiness. If we
What
do,
is happiness?
Hello,
When we
sir.
don't believe
I
you
want-
get-
sir,
yeah,
sir, sir,
I can
sir,
say-
listen
I-
to me. Listen to me.
So-
I want to be a good English speaker.
I want
That's
it.
why I joined my career doctor.
Yeah.
And I know it is best coaching.
Sir,
And we can speak. And we can be one day a good English speaker.
Yeah.
But first of all, we have to think our purpose because
Yeah.
and to being a good English speaker, it is my purpose. So it is purpose, not.
Yeah.
But sometimes he
Yeah.
said, it's okay. Sometimes he said, we are coming here for learning English. We are learning
Yeah.
English for by English we earn money, a lot of earn money. Sometimes, but it doesn't matter. We are only come here for learning English. By English we get a lot of money. Somebody came here for growing his knowledge
Knowledge,
because he
yes.
don't know how to speak.
Become a good person.
Yeah. It's also
Yes,
our.
yeah,
you are right, you are right.
I can say
We
why
come
are
here.
I'm not saying like that.
No, no,
I'm
see,
only come
I
here.
can achieve my
I
personality.
I want to.
See, didn't say like this.
I say
I can
this.
achieve my
Our
personality.
purpose
Yeah.
is learning English.
This is not.
It is other things we are
We all
doing
want to grow
other
in
things
English.
because
Knowledge.
here is not only speaking English to provide. Here is provide many things. We can improve many things.
Yes.
I also improve many things. I can't speak anything, but in this time I can speak because here is no matter only for speaking English. I'm not saying like that.
Yes, speaking.
Wait.
Hello,
English is
Pranishtha.
fluent is not
Hello,
100% right.
I
You
have
can
a-
do
I
each
have
and
a
everything
question.
because
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let man speak.
Yes,
Sir, what?
Coming also.
You have lots of
Yeah.
money.
Yes.
Suppose you have lots of money and you become a very big person, like rich person, doctor,
Yeah.
engineer,
Yeah.
or politician, and that time people not respect you. They anytime said this person do not this and this person do not that. That time how you feel?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am not saying money is everything. I am saying money is something.
First of all, we become a good person.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Yes,
our
I agree.
purpose.
I agree.
It's to our purpose.
But ma'am, if we have no money, no one wants to give respect. If we have money, everyone stand with us.
So,
And everyone is stand
Swami
with us.
Vivekananda
Yes, yes.
have a lot of money there.
Vivekananda
Yes,
no.
anybody-
Swami Vivekananda have a lot of money.
Yes.
I says
Yes, I agree with you that happiness didn't come from money, but we have to work hard, and that if we want to join a job, so in that job we have to earn money. So we have to work hard, and so you were saying that money is not everything. Money is everything. If you have no money, so how can you survive?
Yes.
Yeah,
How
I
can you
was.
survive?
Yes.
what is survival?
Your life, your life.
I'm agree with you. She's right. She's right.
You
We have to
don't
try to
survive our life.
make happiness in
How
our
you
life.
can survive your
Because
life?
when we start
She's right.
by born, we started to struggle. But that way we have to make we have to try to make our life good. If we do hard work for our life, if we do struggle, so after that we do hard work, and after that we survive our life easily, because we did hard work now. By this way we achieve something in new, unique.
If
We
you-
get position, you get something new, and after that way, that purpose you become a something. After
It is
that, you get money, you earn money lots also. Then you happy. You happy because you whatever you want to achieve, you get. It's also you. That's why she said money is also important, but it's only our need. Don't make to try to solve compulsion. It's right. You are right. Money is only need. By this way, we get educated. We whatever we do, we can do by money. That's all.
Yes, it is not
Many
everything.
people-
It is not
many
everything.
Not
people
everything.
No, I'm not saying that it's
Many people's
But
happiness.
at this time, modern era,
I
really
want
it's
to
a
say,
very.
I want to say something.
What
Many
modern era
Very
means?
big, very
Life is
biggest
like
resource.
modern era.
Very
and
biggest
the
resource.
last-
For you,
No, no,
for
if you
you.
have any problem,
For
you
you.
have any problem, right? And God never do like this. If you have any dangerous disease like
Okay,
blood
okay,
cancer,
okay, okay.
So how can you treatment
And
yourself?
doctor-
How can you
Means-
treatment?
Hello.
Our government,
Tell me.
our government also.
Our government provides us.
lot of medicine.
Sir, just listen. Our government also provides us money. na?
medicine is present. You can you can go to treatment for
But there is also money, sir. There is also money, sir. There is also money.
Yes, yes, that time.
Our government provides us money. How is smart work
You
only?
always-
So how can you?
I
do
want to
smart
say
work?
something.
Can you
I
please tell
want
me?
to say something.
I also want to say something.
Yes.
Hello,
You are saying you are now excuse me.
I
want to give a
No, no, listen.
You are saying now is the
I want to give a
Stop
big
it.
point.
Make
I am agree.
I want
Money
to
is
give
very
a big
important.
point. Please
Money is
listen
very
to me.
important.
All right, thank you very much, guys. Life is not all about money only. Yes,
Yes, sir.
money plays the very important role.
Important, yes.
Without it, the things are not possible. But yes, there are so many things to talk about, like love, like happiness, like humanity. You see what exactly to talk about all these aspects.
Money.
You guys are fighting about money.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, I want
It
to
is
say
like
something.
yes, please, Pravasi, guys, speak something.
Yes, many people has different purpose.
Exactly.
Someone wants to achieve in their life,
All right.
and this search their happiness in these things. But some peoples are finding God because they want to peace and calm.
Exactly.
If they search the God, and that time they can search also happiness and pleasure. So we are students, and we want to do study in their life, and we want to be success in their life. If we can success in their life, that time we feel happy, and happiness comes also in our life. So happiness is not other things. Happiness give us if we become successful person, that time happiness also comes in their life. We have no need to search happiness. Happiness is nowhere. It is also in own self. If we do something and if we be success in our life, that time happiness is also in with us.
Yes, happiness. I was not talking about happiness means it is means when you get very big thing that will give you happiness. I was not talking about that. Means I want to say means if you means happiness you will find in small things also. If
Yes,
you are traveling by train, you got a seat
Yes.
that gives you happiness.
Yes.
If you are crossing the road and
you cross successfully, then
yes,
you get happiness.
that gives you happiness. If you are going someone by your car, and that time you don't get any traffic, that gives you happiness.
Yes.
So happiness you will find everywhere. I was saying
Yes.
when you guys were talking about money.
But that time we have to feel
talk-
na that we have to feel.
Yes.
We all have everything, but we don't feel happiness. It is most important things. We have to feel happiness.
Yes, I'm agreed.
It is everything in own self.
Yes, but life is not all about money.
I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about
There's
happiness.
something
She is not talking about money, she's talking about happiness.
Yes, happiness.
Money is everything, but money doesn't give you happiness.
Yes, money does.
This is what we were saying.
Alright.
This was.
There are so many things through which we can get
Yeah,
happiness.
yes,
Alright,
yes.
alright.
Yes, I'm totally agreed with this point.
Yes.
So you guys were saying now that no.
Come on!
I say.
Yes, I was to ask something to you.
Yes.
May I ask? Means you were saying that about modern era and ancient era,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So life is life. It doesn't depend on modern era or ancient era.
Yeah, yeah.
They also survived their life. We are still surviving our life.
Yes, hello. Just listen.
Okay.
Life is life.
Okay.
Just listen, because life is life.
Yes.
Because here it's life. Because living.
Yes,
We are
yes,
living.
yes.
We are living.
Right.
What the purpose of life? Means according to money, really money, according to me. If accept or not, it doesn't matter. But
It's okay, it's
according
okay.
to me,
If it doesn't
Because-
matter,
okay.
na, if it doesn't
If I
matter,
want
to
to
accept that.
your money,
If it doesn't matter, to accept that human live that.
yes.
Human live that world.
No.
This
He
is
is
your
not saying like that. Money
Hello,
is everything.
this
He
is
is not
Ma'am,
saying
what you're
like that.
saying, he is saying you are saying.
No. He is
No.
He is just thinking is like that. If we become success in our life, we can search happiness and we can.
First of all, tell me. Okay.
achieve
First,
anything.
you are a student,
Yes,
right?
I am a student.
Yes.
Yes.
And definitely you want to. Just listen now. If you want to. No. You are a student, right?
Yes, I am.
And definitely you want to prepare too much,
Yes. For what?
like achieve your goal.
Yes.
Definitely you want to be a successful
Yes.
person. First of all, tell me, without money, how can you take knowledge too much?
Yes. It is
Without
the world which is right now going on. The world which is right now going on. In this world, what
Yes.
happened?
No.
Nothing.
In this world, we need money to do
Yes.
each and everything. Yes, I'm agreed with this point. But there is something apart from money also by which we need in our life. Like happiness we need.
Yes.
What is the meaning of life without happiness? Is there meaning of life?
No. Yeah.
We need happiness in our life.
Yes.
Yes,
First of all,
yeah, I want to
money-
say satisfaction
Must be there, yes.
give us happiness. If we all satisfied anything, that time we all happy. We all feel happy. Money doesn't matter. We have no money.
Yes, money doesn't
but
matter.
A king
Yeah.
have a lots of money.
Yes.
But they has no happiness.
Yes, it happens in my
Exactly.
village.
It may be not.
Yes.
The king has a lots of money, but they have no happiness. So there is no matter about money. I know money is important in our life. It is modern time. Money help us too much.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
Yes. I am totally agreed with you.
Yes,
Life is fulfilled, sad and happiness.
So
Yes. Okay,
I want
it
to say,
was not
right,
it was not
right,
related
right.
at that point. It was
Santosh,
your
Santosh.
point was not related to that point.
Santosh, I want to
Okay,
say
topic is
something.
happy, na?
Listen.
Topic.
Money is
Yeah.
everything. Okay, I agreed with you. Money is everything. But
You can remove.
sorry. But you can not buy money happiness. You cannot buy money happiness, and you cannot you cannot buy sadness from money.
Yes.
Now only these
Yes,
things
bye.
we can buy sadness.
Yes.
How can you say
Topic is happy.
We can
Exactly
buy.
what it is.
Your topic is
What
happy.
she was-
She was
Our topic is
saying, can
But
you
hello,
remove your
sir.
sadness
What
in
is
our
the purpose of life?
Happiness and
We-
sadness.
we
What
can
is
buy
survival of
sadness.
life?
Go ahead.
It's okay.
All
Now,
right.
You can
you can survive
Hello.
sadness?
If you want to have,
can buy
if you
Excuse
want
me?
to live with happy,
Yeah.
He-
But
she wants
why?
to speak.
Don't
Please.
focus anything.
So you
In
say-
child, you have to.
Tell us.
You have to try to search.
how do you want
You have to try to search the
Today I
happiness
give you money
now.
or you take me?
Ansika, give answer. Give answer.
After that, I will
Yes,
say
you
that you
are-
are.
want to
Because, hello.
Let her give answer.
Let her
This
give
is
this
not
second.
fair.
She
She
wants
wants
to
to
call
do something.
sadness.
Hello.
Because-
Ansika.
You were
Ansika,
saying
something.
we cannot buy sadness, happiness from money. But you were saying also life is life. So without money you can also live in forest life. like Adivasi.
Yes,
but,
yes,
yes.
So why can't you leave? Like,
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We have been
Yes.
living our life by according to time. According to time. According to time, we change our
No,
culture.
he doesn't get ancient
Okay,
time and
wait
modern
now.
It's
time.
ancient time culture, not a now. It's a modern.
he can live
Now
now.
we have our
Santosh,
country.
you
We
said
are not
that it doesn't
developing.
matter. You live in modern era.
Let me answer.
It doesn't matter if you live in modern era or
Hello,
earlier era.
Vanshika, you said
I give you answer to
when you were studying one
Yeah.
class, that time you have a knowledge like a one class. But now you are step growing now, so your knowledge also growing. That's our also that time our culture have a no like they have a no knowledge. About
There was
this.
no any environment.
No,
there was no any-
but now we create an environment
that
that
ancient era and modern era is same. So why can't he live in forest?
Yes. Wait.
Yes.
Those who live in forests, why? Because they are literally means they are not able to afford these things which we are still doing here, right? So if I am able to afford that, so why will I go to jungle and forest?
So I already told you now that you are not able to leave your comfort zone. So please
So
don't
yes,
if
that-
you are not able to leave your
this is
comfort
what
zone.
I
If you are
was-
not able to eat grass, chapati. So why are you
Yes.
speaking about this?
This is- yeah,
Money is not
yeah,
important.
yeah.
Money is important, but
I
money
can
is not
understand.
everything. I'm not saying you money is everything. Money
Hello.
is
Yeah,
My
you are
question
also
for you.
Let us answer also what you
Many
One minute,
persons
one minute, sir.
want
Let
to
us
go.
answer
My
also.
question for you. My question for you. How do you want to live? How do you want
to living your life.
to live?
Sir, I want to live my life with peacefully.
With happy, with
Yeah, of course.
yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Happy. The type of happy two types.
Yeah.
The type of happy two types. First, physically happy, and second, soul happy. Physically happy or soul happy. You want to have.
Sir, but
You
I
want to
want, only I want, but I
It's
also
okay, it's
have
okay.
to serve my
Sir,
family in
it's
future.
okay.
It
Of
is
course,
not-
sir.
hello.
I
If
have
you want to,
Yes,
if you want to
soul
live
happy
physically
and-
happy, then you can earning money.
Can you- can you
Yes, sir.
proceed?
You are hungry.
Can you
If
proceed?
you are hungry,
Leave that
sir.
money.
First of all, tell me you are hungry.
What's wrong?
You are hungry right now.
Yeah.
Hello,
If you want to eat
You are
something.
saying this because
Yes,
If you want to eat something, without money, how can you buy anything
Okay,
else?
okay.
Hello,
Without money.
I want to give reply.
You are-
I want to give reply.
Yeah.
You say na two types of. It is not types. It is
Wait.
running with.
Yes.
It is running with together. It is not part of life physically and mentally. Whatever you say, it is not part. It rolls in our life. You can't say like this.
It's okay, it's okay. You are right, but I
So
want to say
what
that.
is- what is
I want to say
physically-
that. Excuse me, please.
Yes.
I want to say that whatever you want to do achieve, you achieve. You will by hard work you will achieve. So
Yes.
I don't focus on these things. You will get more money. You will get more money or not. You have to try to make happy in your life by this way. If you moving your good way by you will definitely you will money also and happiness also.
According to APJ Abdul Kalam, confidence and hard work. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill our disease like failure. It will make you a successful person. APJ Abdul Kalam is the greatest person of India. You know very well. APJ Abdul Kalam he have also money and he have also used to money to our study in her life. So how can you say money is not important in our
We are not
life?
saying
We are not saying money is
money is important,
Important,
but it
money
is
is
not
not
something
compulsory.
which you
Money is
need in your
compulsory.
life.
Money
yeah.
gives us happiness.
Yes.
No,
No. Just listen. Just listen.
Hello.
Your father earns money. No, I want to say something.
Yes, yes,
Your
yes.
father earns money, right?
Yes.
Your father earns money, and your father provides money to you, right?
Yeah, okay.
If he doesn't provide you, you are happy or not? Tell me.
You feel always very bad
Always you
in another
feel
person.
unhappy, bro. Because of us.
If you have
Our
good
parents
facilities,
know about us.
good
That's why they
facilities,
provide us
not
money,
why-
and they provide us too much of fee. That's why we take knowledge.
Please
Yes,
first
okay.
listen. First try to
One
listen
time,
first. Try to listen first
Hello,
what we are saying.
listen to me,
Yes.
listen to me.
Try to listen first what we
If-
have said.
Okay, just
If
tell me.
someone has
Means we didn't say anything about means money is not anything. Money is something which will give you, which will complete,
Our
which will
needs.
help you to complete your needs. also.
Yeah.
It is not everything.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not saying that money is everything. Money is a resource.
Hello. Money is nothing. Money will not give you peace. Money will not give you
Yes,
happiness.
yes,
If
yes.
you want to live your life, so please
Be happy and
Sir, money to be able to stand with anyone.
Yes.
If I want to give
Okay,
example,
okay.
if I have many facilities, I have luxurious life. You can say I have luxurious life.
Okay.
I have good education.
Okay.
I can able to take good education. So if you have no facilities, if you have no good education, you can't face to me. You
It's
feel
okay.
bad.
I have answer. I have
That
answer.
time
You
feel
are right.
bad
You're right.
because you also want to be become like me.
Same thing we were saying. The
You
same
also
thing we are
want to
saying.
be- Sir, listen to me.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
also that time you also want to become like me. I want to give example Mukesh Ambani.
Yes.
Okay.
He is a good. He is a good. He is a rich person.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone wants to become like him.
Who say?
Yes.
No one like that
Yes.
who don't want like
You
this.
can ask-
Everyone
some
wants. Yes.
Ask. If you get married in poor family,
Yes.
then you cannot happy.
Yeah.
Sometimes I have feel bad.
Yes.
Sometimes
What is
we
this
feel.
money?
This is
Yes.
the start of
Sometimes I
mentality.
feel bad.
What is this money?
Hello.
You said what is this money?
Money
You
gives
don't know
us
what is this money.
position. Hello,
This is
sir.
bad.
It's
You are
okay.
saying bad thing. What
Money
are you
gives us
money?
position.
Money,
I
please.
want to give this lie. Hello,
What
sir.
are you
Hello.
right?
Rishika, listen.
Please. Hello, sir. I want to give reply.
Yeah.
Money gives us position.
Yeah.
Money, when we stand with any position,
Yeah.
that time sometimes we feel happy.
Yeah.
If you
Which
marry
position
in
money give-
poor
can you
family,
tell
If you have
that
position,
time
if
we
you have
can't compare
achieve
to
money,
another
We
person.
can't buy position.
That time we feel badness.
Rishika.
Same thing we were saying. That the same thing we were saying.
But we can't buy position by.
We are not
money.
opposing.
How can you say buy?
We all are saying the same thing.
But I'm not saying money is everything, but money.
Just leave that money, na.
Leave na, leave na.
Something happiness.
Why live yaar? Why live?
Okay, we continue.
Yes, we
No,
can.
we have to try. We have to make try our life is happiness.
Yes.
Do hard work and do struggle. By this way,
Yes.
you will get happiness.
Yes, yes.
Money also.
Yes,
Money
money
also.
All
But you are
person-
learning hungry.
All person
But
hungry.
without
Don't focus on the money. It's okay. You will do start. You will do. You will do. Who is saying?
How can this possible, bro? How can this
Tell us,
possible? You
tell us, tell us.
achieve anything
Yes,
else?
yes, yes.
Okay, guys.
Listen to me.
Okay, listen.
Sir.
Whenever you
sir,
miss
one
your
minute.
mother, that time money remember you. No,
Yes.
No, no, yeah. He's right.
Whenever you
He's
miss
right.
your that time money remember you. Whenever you miss your father, money remember you. We remember love,
Yes.
happiness. Money is nothing.
Yes, sir. I am agree
How
with
can
you.
you say money is nothing? I'm not.
Leave this point. Leave this
Let him speak, please.
Yes.
Only I can change my life. No one change my life. I give money, change my life.
Yes, he is right. He is also right.
How can you say money is important?
Okay,
Buy money.
Save your parents.
Yes. No. Means
Sir.
sir.
Okay.
Suppose that your mother is sick. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And doctor advise you that you have your mother's drink go and take juice. So for that you have to spend money or not?
Yes, we
Yes,
need
you are
money.
right.
You have to spend money.
That time we need money. We all are at this point.
Money is compulsion ना.
Hello.
ये जरूरत है हमारे.
It's a need, not a compulsion. It's only
It's
need.
not compulsion.
I'll
Yes, yes.
try. If you have lots of money and that time your mother was sick, okay, and doctor say this disease
Cannot be cured.
Cannot be cured.
Yes.
Yeah.
So and you have lots of money. So,
So
that time
can you-
that
what
time
do
what
you-
can
can
you
you
do?
save your
This
money?
is why this is why I am saying money is not everything, but money is something.
Yeah. Money is something.
It's a
Money is
need.
I want to say something because
It's
on the
something.
time
It's
I
our
earned
need.
money.
Hello,
On the
sir.
time mother and
Hello.
father.
We are listen to me.
Hey,
We all know that money is
I
not
can't
everything.
control myself
But
right now.
give me reply. Why we
Madam.
running in earn
Without
to
money.
money?
Madam.
Why we are
Because
all are
the environment of the world. Because the
Yeah.
we cannot survive without
this
money,
world,
we cannot
no,
survive.
no,
This
guys,
is why I am
Mr.
saying that
Bro,
this is why we are needs.
We need
Money
money.
completes
Mr.
our needs. It's not compulsion.
Why do
money
money?
complete our needs.
Yes, yes.
Why do
So money
money?
is also important
This is my question.
important role
Just
in our
listen.
life.
Yeah.
I think
our
we all are satisfied.
No, no, no.
He is a guy
No, no,
who is
no.
not satisfied.
No, no, no.
You make him.
Just listen.
Yes.
If our parents
Yes.
died like anywhere,
That is stupid.
like due to any, just listen, only for example,
Any condition.
like any condition, like any dangerous disease, right? On that time, due to money problem, they died. But when they died,
Yes.
he said that you love, means you on that time you miss money or your father's love, your mother's love. He said, but on that time really you will feel
If you have
money, about money.
How-
You
how-
said that if I were
have
money on
money.
that time, then definitely I can say my
Money is
father.
not problem.
I can say my mother.
Hello, yeah, bro.
Yes,
Hello.
that and I want to give a reply.
Hello,
to him.
hello, I'm just talking.
Ma'am.
I'm not
Yes,
talking
control
about
your
that
mouth.
thing. I'm just saying, okay, you are saying now that thing.
You
Love
are
is
fighting
the
each
best
other.
medicine in this world.
in this world, yes.
Love is the best
Love-
medicine in
Yes,
this world.
I accept
With the
that.
help of
I
that,
accept it.
you can recover all the
It is more important than money. It is more
Without
important than
love,
money.
you
This
cannot
is why
earn
we are
money.
saying now
Without
money is
faith,
something,
you cannot
but not
earn money.
everything.
Without
Yeah,
faith,
yeah.
you cannot
This statement.
Yes.
You have to accept this statement.
Yeah, you have to accept.
Money is not everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Money.
I'm not
You cannot be satisfied ever.
What is the meaning of that?
We are saying like
I do
you accept
understand.
this
Yes.
point.
Okay.
We are
Suppose that
saying like
you are hungry and here is food.
We want this.
Yes.
And here is food. You want to eat that time. What will remember you? Money or food?
Yes.
Money or food?
Food.
We also say like that.
Tell me.
I will give you.
Without money, if I am hungry.
Okay, you are hungry.
I have no money.
I provide you.
Yes.
If you are hungry.
I also
Yeah, I will also.
No,
I will also.
Don't
Hello.
Yes,
It is kindness.
Because I have kindness.
Hello. You are talking about food. Now there are
yeah, because you that the feeling that
there are people like Anup Khanna who serve the society. There are people like Anup Khanna who serve the society. If you want to take food, go there.
you can go to Sai Temple.
Something that I want to give something.
Gurudwara also.
Only
Gurudwara
one
also.
time,
They provide
one time I can eat.
money.
Hello, sir. I want to say Listen to me. Please listen to me. Listen to me.
Okay,
I want to say something.
Yeah.
Humanity is the biggest thing.
Yeah.
If we have humanity,
Yeah.
then we have.
Then-
Sometimes we have no
then-
money. Someone can help us.
Then we can have
Humanity.
Yes, I'm agree. Then we
Humanity.
can have
Why you
I
agree?
will have to agree because we are important.
You are not happy. That's why I'm saying.
Yes.
Humanity is biggest
Okay,
thing.
now he's confused.
Can you speak also let them speak?
Guys,
You cannot.
If I will give you money,
Yes.
so you tell me what is tomorrow happen with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
I told tomorrow what to.
So how can you say?
Nobody knows tomorrow, bro. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Are you
So
telling me?
money is not that.
How you tell?
Please be agreed with us. That will give you
That's all, na.
Can I say?
Also, you can accept my point.
Why? No, all are.
We never accept your point.
There,
We never.
all are.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Because you are wrong. You are wrong.
If I have money, I give you money.
Yes.
अपने group में
Can
customer
you
रहे
tell me what happened with me yesterday?
मेरे साथ
If you don't know.
I don't know what will happen with you. I don't know really.
Listen, I have
So
also
why you
decided.
tell?
Suppose that I will also give you money, okay?
My God.
If you give me money on the way, I feel very comfortable.
Listen.
Fighting in home.
So, can you tell me that today will rain or not?
Yeah.
Because I am asking.
I can't say you money.
But don't say correct.
Because the money is a big
Correct.
source of.
Only money
You can't say
is
that.
only money is necessary and compulsion, not a very
Then
important.
proceed.
You cannot
Follow you. Follow you.
Now listen.
Okay.
Now listen. There are so many things to talk about life. Life is really beautiful, and the purpose of life is to enjoy. Thank you very much, students. You talked really very well. And if this time I don't control, you guys turn like politicians, the Parliament of India. I don't want that kind of debate and fight normally which happens at the TV channels. And thank you very much for speaking. And for you folks, I want to tell that these are the beginners of My Dear Doctor. Whatever they have done are really, they deserve to be appreciated. I want you to please appreciate them. Thank you very much for watching. Stay happy and be the best.